What's up? Good morning. Hope everyone is doing well. I know you guys are exhausted from that Diddy trial from yesterday. I think he got lucky. But one of the things I wanted to highlight that a lot of people are not talking about is that his attorneys talked about the deplorable conditions in the jail. I find it very fascinating that he wants to take the time out to talk about the deplorable conditions in the jail when he did nothing prior to going to jail to help out in any form of criminal justice reform. Why didn't he join other celebrities such as Jay-Z and Meek Mills in the Reform Alliance? Why didn't he join Kim Kardashian, John Legend, or even Common, Kevin Hart, and actually the late Nipsey Hussle? They all spoke out against jail reform. They all had organizations, and I didn't see Diddy doing that. And we see a lot of celebrities, when they get behind bars, they talk about the deplorable conditions, but they never really do anything about it. They never really put their money towards lobbying or changing or even getting the sheriff elected to change the county jail situations, whether you're in the parish, whether you're in the county. And in this case, he's talking about the federal government. This is the problem. We don't want to advocate until there's a problem. And I hope Diddy spends his time advocating future on changes, even when he gets out, because I think he got a light sentence. Even when he gets out, I hope he does that. And I hope he joins alliances or even create his own alliances, changes his life around, and actually become a lighthouse and a pillar to many people who are going through. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do not know about the deplorable conditions in all of the United States county jails, it is horrible, okay? People are not getting their medicines. People are just grape, okay? People are not getting fed. There's mental health issues going on in the county jails. And in this case, Diddy is talking about the federal jail. There are bad conditions there. And I hope that you guys take all this in and understand that we need reform. And even as the ICE agents are arresting people, there are deplorable conditions in that jail. Once you get behind those bars, you are property of the United States of America, or you are property of that county government or that parish. You are property of them. And I hope that everyone joins everyone out here to try to reform conditions in there. And I think a lot of this stuff is a cultural, systematic form of racism that they're trying to beat the crap out of people to make sure that they change. Is not any form of corrections, it's actually punishment. So I hope Diddy and all future people join in the reform and join to change the system so that human beings will not be treated like animals behind bars.